Welcome students. In this today's session we are going through some of the problems in double integration. In that first one, evaluate double integral x plus y whole square dx dy over the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Over the ellipse we have to calculate, and this is dx dy. So in this, here if you are observing the equation, this is an ellipse equation. Over the ellipse we have to calculate, and here given x limits and y limits. So if you are taking, this is the x-axis and this is y-axis, and coming to this one, here ellipse means this is total region. This total value we have to calculate, and already I said that if you are taking one variable as constant limits, another variable we are taking as in terms of other variable. So this is 0 minus b and this is 0 comma b. And that's why here if suppose I am taking the limits of x in between minus a and plus a, then y limits, how we are calculating y limits? From the ellipse equation, y square by b square is equal 1 minus x square by a square, y square is equal b square into 1 minus x square by a square, y square is equal b square by a square into a square minus x square. From this, y is equal b by a under root of a square minus x square plus r minus b. That means we are applying square root for that. That means y varies from minus b by a under root of a square minus x square to, so which is nothing but less than y less than b by a under root of a square minus x square. So in this region we have to make the integration. So take the given problem, double integral x plus y whole square, which is equal to into dx dy, which is equal to double integral x limits minus a to a, y limits minus b by a under root of a square minus x square to plus b by a under root of a square minus x square, x plus y whole square. What is the expansion of x plus y whole square? X square plus y square plus 2xy into dx dy, which is equal to, first limits write as it is, and these are the limits of y. And here I am splitting this one as two integrals, one integral having x square plus y square term, and another integral having minus a to a minus b by a under root of a square minus x square to b by a under root of a square minus x square 2xy dy dx, which is equal to, here if you are observing one condition, here we have a property, indefinite integral minus a to a f of x dx can be written as 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. When it happens, if f of x is even and this value is equal to 0 if f of x is odd. What is the meaning of even function and odd function? What is the meaning of even function? Even function means f of minus x is equal to f of x, then that function is called an even function. If f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, then this function is called an odd function. Coming to here integrand is y. If you are replacing y as minus y, this becomes as minus 2xy. That means this is an odd function. So this total term value becomes as 0. Coming to here, if you are replacing y as minus y, again this becomes as it is function x square plus y square. So this one I am rewriting as minus a to a, 2 into this 2 over I am writing outside, 0 to b by a, under root of a square minus x square plus y square into dy into dx. So this total term becomes as 0. Because of that, this function is an odd function. The function is an odd function. In that way, this total term becomes as 0. Now make integration of this one, which is equal to 2 into integral minus a to a with respect to y means treating x as constant. So here x square into 1 integration is y plus y square integration is y cube by 3. Limits are 0 to b by a under root of a square minus x square into dx. Now we are replacing y as upper limit and lower limit. We are simplifying this term. Then only we are going through the next step. And here simplification is, which is equal to 2 into integral minus a to a x square into upper limit is b by a under root of a square minus x square plus 1 by 3, upper limit is b by a under root of a square minus x square whole cube, which is nothing but b cube by a cube into a square minus x square power 3 by 2, a square minus x square power 3 by 2 into dx. Now which is equal to 2 into integral minus a to a b by a into x square under root of a square minus x square plus b cube by 3a cube into a square minus x square power 3 by 2 dx. If you are observing that function, this function is always an even function with the variable x. If you are observing that all x terms having an even degree, x degree 2, x degree 2, x degree 2. If you are seeing at any place x, that becomes even degree power. In that way, this function is an even function. Again, even function concept you have to apply. If this function is an even function, this function can be written as 2 into integral 0 to a. So this one becomes 4 into integral 0 to a. Because of that, 2 into 0 to a, 2 2s are 4. b by a into x square under root of a square minus x square plus b cube by 3a cube into a square minus x square power 3 by 2 into dx. Which one we have to integrate. For that purpose, here I am using a concept x is equal a sine theta. So use put x is equal to a sin theta, then dx is equal a cos theta d theta. Coming to lower limit, here lower limit x tends to 0. If you are writing x tends to 0, sin theta, that means theta reaches to 0. Coming to upper limit, x tends to a, in place of x write a getting cancelled, sin theta 1. When sin theta becomes 1, theta reaches to pi by 2. So limits changed, and so you have to substitute these all values in that integral. Then this integral changes as 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2 b by a. X value is a sin theta whole square under root of a square minus x square means a sin theta whole square plus b cube by 3a cube a square minus x value a sin theta whole square power 3 by 2 into dx value is a cos theta d theta. A cos theta d theta. So here write this one. Instead of that I am writing here. So this one is a cos theta d theta. A cos theta d theta, which is equal 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2. If you are observing this, a square sin square theta, so a square b by a into sin square theta, square root of a square comes to outside. This one is a into, what is remaining? 1 minus sin square. So a into under root of 1 minus sin square theta plus b cube by 3a cube into, again take out common a square, that becomes a power 2 getting cancelled, comes to outside, that becomes a cube 1 minus sin square theta power 3 by 2, which becomes into a cos theta d theta. So and that last step I am rewriting here, which is equal 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2, 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2 a square b by a into sin square theta into a under root of 1 minus sin square theta plus b cube by 3a cube into a cube 1 minus sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 into a cos theta d theta, which is equal, last step again I rewritten, 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2 b by a, 1 minus sin square means here a getting cancelled, so remaining one is a getting cancelled, a square by b, a square b sin square theta into 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, cos square theta square root is cos theta plus a cube getting cancelled, b cube by 3, 1 minus sin square cos square means this becomes cos cube theta into a cos theta d theta, which is equal 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2. Here I am splitting this one as two parts, 4a square b into sin square theta cos theta d theta plus 4 into ab cube. 4 into, and here this one is 4a cube b, not a square b into a cube, sin square theta, cos into cos square, plus 4ab cube by 3 into cos square into cos, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4 theta d theta, which is equal 4a cube integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta cos square theta, which is of the form sin power m cos power n. What is the formula? 1 by 4 1 by 2 into pi by 2 plus 4ab cube by 3. This is m minus 1, so 3 by 2 1 by 2 pi by 2. What is the common term in these 3? So here 4 getting cancelled, and here also 4 getting cancelled, 3 getting cancelled. What is remaining? Pi a cube b by 4 plus pi a b cube by, and here what is remaining? This one is also, I think so, 4. So pi a cube by 4, take out common, pi a b by 4 outside, remaining one is a square plus b square. So this is the required result of this one. So like this we have to calculate the solution by using the double integrals. Now we are going through the next problem. Up to now we done Cartesian form. Now we are going through polar form double integrals. Polar form. This is also same form, same model double integrals. Polar form means this one having the variables r comma theta. So go through the example, you will understand. So example, integral 0 to infinity 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 e power minus r square into small r dr d theta. So here if you are observing this, theta limits 0 to 90, r limits are 0 to infinity. So we are solving this problem, and here which is equal to 0 to infinity 0 to pi by 2, I am rewriting e power minus r square into small r d theta dr. First I am making with respect to theta integration, so r treated as constant, 0 to infinity e power minus r square into small r into 1. What is the integration of 1 with respect to theta? Theta. Limits are 0 to pi by 2 into dr. So substitute upper limit and lower limits, 0 to infinity e power minus r square into small r, pi by 2 minus 0 value is pi by 2. Pi by 2 into integral 0 to infinity e power minus r square into small r dr. So here use the substitution, r square is equal to t. So put r square is equal to t. R square t means 2r dr is equal to dt. Small r dr is equal dt by 2. As lower limit r tends to 0 implies t reaches to 0. Upper limit r reaches to infinity implies t reaches to infinity. Use this substitution in this integral. Then this one changes as pi by 2 integral, limits does not change it, 0 to infinity, lower limit and upper limit e power minus t, small r dr value is dt by 2, which is equal to pi by 4 e power minus t integration is minus e power minus t, limits are 0 to infinity, which is equal to pi by 4 into minus comes to outside, e power minus infinity means 0. Because of that, e power minus infinity is equal 1 by e power infinity. 1 by e power infinity means 1 by infinity, value is 0. So e power minus infinity value is 0, minus upper lower limit e power 0 value is 1, minus of minus plus. So the value of this one is pi by 4. So like this we are calculating the double integral if both are the constant limits. Now we are going through the next problem. Evaluate one more problem. Integral 0 to pi by 4 integral 0 to a sin theta into small r by under root of a square minus r square into dr d theta. First observe that what is the variation between previous problem and this problem. If you are observing previous problem, limits are constant limits, and that's why I done anyone with respect first integral. But here variables are what? R theta. But in this first integral the variable theta existed, and that's why this becomes limits of R. Limits of R existed, obviously this becomes theta limit. So first we have to make with respect to R integration, next we have to make with respect to theta integration. So 0 to pi by 4 into 0 to a sin theta. Now see this. Here we have a formula. What is the formula? So here I am writing the formula. So remember this: integral f dash x by square root of f of x dx, which is equal to root f of x. So this formula we are using here. So for that purpose, here if you are taking this one as function in R, what is the derivative of this one? A square 0, R square derivative 2R, minus 2R I want, but in numerator having only R, and that's why multiply with minus 2 and divide this one with minus 2. Then this becomes minus 2R by under root of a square minus r square dr d theta, which is equal minus 1 by 2. Now if you are observing this, f dash of r by square root of f of r. What is the formula for that? 2 root f of r, f of r. Limits are in here integral of theta r 0 to pi by 4, and these limits are 0 to a sin theta d theta. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit. Minus 1 by 2 into 2 comes to outside, 0 to pi by 4 under root of first upper limit. R value is what? Sin theta. Under root of a square minus a square sin square theta minus r square minus lower limit r value is 0. So this becomes under root of a square d theta, which is equal to getting cancelled, minus integral 0 to pi by 4. Here a is common, here also a is common. Take out that one common outside. So this becomes minus a under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Under root of 1 value is 1 d theta minus a 0 to pi by 4. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square. Square root of cos square is cos. So cos theta minus 1 d theta. Make integration with respect to theta. Cos theta integration sin theta, 1 integration theta. Limits are pi by 4. So first substitute upper limit, after that lower limit. Minus a into sin 45, 1 by root 2 minus pi by 4. Lower limit sin 0 0, theta value 0. So there is no lower limit. Multiply pi inside, a minus inside, a into pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2, which is the solution of the equation. So here which formula I used? Here I used the formula integral f dash x by square root of f of x dx. So for that formula is 2 root f of x. Now I am going through the one more problem. Now say this: evaluate integral 0 to pi, evaluate integral 0 to pi, integral 0 to pi, integral 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta into small r dr d theta. Here we have to calculate the value of that one. So for that, here if you are observing this, here limits are r theta and this integral having theta limits, in that's why this becomes the limits of r, and these are the becomes limits of theta. So first make with respect to r, next we are doing with respect to theta. So which is equal 0 to pi with respect to r integration is r square by 2, limits are 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta into d theta, which is equal 1 by 2 into r square. Upper limit substitute 0 to pi a into 1 plus cos theta whole square. Lower limit 0. Value becomes as 0, which is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi a outside a square into 1 plus cos theta whole square into d theta, which is equal to, write this a outside, because of that lower limit becomes as 0, a square by 2 integral 0 to pi 1 plus cos theta whole square. So we have to make the integration of this one. So how we are doing this? By expanding this one we are doing. So what is the expansion? So if you are taking 1 plus cos theta, so we know the formula of cos 2 theta. What is the formula of cos 2 theta? So here I am writing cos 2 theta formula. So cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. You know this formula. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this, cos square theta is equal 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta is equal 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. But here, so which is nothing but 2 cos square theta is equal 1 plus cos theta. But here I have only theta. So in that's why this becomes 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal 1 plus cos theta. So use this formula for this. So then this one changes as a square by 2 0 to pi 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 whole square d theta. 2 square value is 4. 4 2 times getting cancelled, which is 2a square 0 to pi cos square whole square value is cos power 4 theta by 2 d theta. If you are using a substitution, then you will get this value very easily. What is the substitution? Theta by 2 is equal to t. So I am using that substitution here. Everyone observe this. So here, what is the value? So theta by 2 is equal to t. That means theta is equal to t. Theta is equal to t. That implies d theta is equal 2 into dt. So what is the lower limit? Lower limit. What is the lower limit of theta? 0. Theta tends to 0 implies theta 0 means t reaches to 0. Upper limit. Theta reaches to pi implies t reaches to pi by 2. So use that concept here. Then this one changes as, which is equal to 2a square. Limits are 0 to pi changes as 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4t. D theta value is 2 dt. This 2 right outside. So value 4a square into 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4t dt. So here we have formula. What is the formula? Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power m theta d theta formula is m minus 1 by m. So m minus 1 by m means 3 by 4. Again reduce. M minus 3 means 1 by 2. If you are getting 1 by 2, this value is pi by 2. 4 getting cancelled. So what is the value of this one? 3 pi a square by 4, which is the answer of this problem. Now we are going through the polar form region integration. So here region integration means, already I said that the strip values